Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this video are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with the service. In this video, we're exploring Videotron, found at www.videotron.com. Videotron is a telecommunications company offering a range of services, typically within the Quebec region of Canada. Their website serves as a central hub for potential and existing customers to browse available packages, manage their accounts, and access support resources. Navigating through the website, you'll encounter various sections dedicated to internet, television, and mobile phone services. Videotron frequently promotes bundled packages, allowing customers to combine services for potential cost savings. Detailed information on internet plans often includes download and upload speeds, data allowances, if applicable, and pricing tiers. Similarly, the television section showcases available channel packages, premium add-ons like sports or movie channels, and often highlights any ongoing promotional offers. For mobile phone services, the site typically details available phone models, monthly plan options with varying data and talk time allowances, and international calling features. Beyond these core offerings, Videotron often provides information on other services, such as home security systems and business solutions. The website also features a robust support section, often including FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and contact information for various customer service departments. Customer account management is usually accessible through a dedicated login portal where users can view their bills, make payments, and adjust their service settings. The overall design of the website aims for user-friendliness, with clear navigation menus and prominent calls to action for signing up for services or contacting support. Videotron's online presence reflects the company's commitment to providing a comprehensive range of telecommunications services, catering to the diverse needs of their customer base in the digital age. Remember to check the description for the direct link. Let me know what you think of Videotron in the comments below.